Your website is often the first interaction customers have with your brand. But behind the design, technical issues can quietly impact performance, visibility, and conversions. Slow load times, poor mobile experiences, broken links, and tracking gaps don't just affect user experience, they directly affect business results. When these technical foundations aren't optimized, even the best marketing campaigns struggle to deliver returns. The impact is measurable: lower search rankings, higher bounce rates, reduced trust, and missed growth opportunities. By addressing technical performance, security, accessibility, and data accuracy, businesses create a stronger digital foundation that supports scalable growth. Digital success isn't just about visibility, it's about reliability, performance, and experience. Fix the foundation, and growth follows.